Om Gam Ganapade Namaha. Om Shakti. Sri Lalita Sahasranamavali 201 to 250 with meaning. Om Sat Gadi Pradayai Namaha. Salutations to her who leads one along the path of salvation. Om Sarvesh Varyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the mistress of the whole universe. Om Sarva Mayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the all. Om Sarva Mantra Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the essence of all mantras. Om Sarva Yantrat Mikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the soul of all yantras, mystic diagrams. Om Sarva Tantra Rupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the embodiment of all tantras, scriptures dealing with worship. Om Manon Manyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Manon Mani, the transcendent consciousness. The transcendent consciousness. Om Mahesh Varyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the consort of Maheshwara, the supreme ruler of the universe. Om Mahesh Varyai Namaha. Om Mahadevyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the supreme goddess. Om Mahalakshmiyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Mahalakshmi. Om Mrida Priyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the beloved of Mrida, Siva. Om Maharupayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose form is magnificent and all-embracing. Om Mahapujyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the most worshipful. Om Mahapadaka Nashinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who can destroy the effects of even the most heinous sins. Om Mahamayayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Mahamaya, supreme power. Om Mahasatvayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the supreme reality, Sattva. Om Mahasaktiyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the boundless energy. Om Maharatyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is boundless delight. Om Mahabhogayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the great enjoyer. Om Maheshwaryai Namaha. Salutations to her who possesses supreme lordliness. Om Mahaviryayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is supreme in valor. Om Mahabalayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is supreme in strength. Om Mahabuddhyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is supreme in wisdom. Om Mahasiddhyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is endowed with the highest of attainments, Siddhi. Om Mahayogeshwareshwariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the object of worship for all Yogeshwaras, spiritual adepts. Om Mahayogeshwareshwariyai Namaha. Om Mahatantrayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is herself the greatest Tantra. Om Mahamantrayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the greatest mantra, Shri Vidya. Om Mahayantrayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the greatest yantra, Shri Yantra or Shri Chakra. Om Mahasanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is seated on the great seat, the 36 Tattvas. Om Mahayaga Kramaradhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is adored by Mahayaga, supreme sacrifice. Om Mahabhairava Pujitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped by Mahabhairava. Om Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the witness of Supreme Lord's Maheshwara's awesome destructive cosmic dance at the end of the creative cycle. Om Mahakamesha Mahishyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is consort of the great Lord of Desire, Mahakamesha. Om Mahatripura Sundariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Tripura Sundari, the divine beauty known by that name. Om Chatushashtyupacharadhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped with 64 ingredients, upacharas. Om Chatushashti Kalamayai Namaha. Salutations to her who embodies the 64 forms of fine arts. Om Chatushashti Kalamayai Namaha. Salutations to her who embodies the 64 form of fine arts. Om Maha Chatushashti Koti Yokini Gana Sevitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is attended on by a host of 64 crores of yoginis. Om Maha Chatushashti Koti Yogini Gana Sevitaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is attended on by a host of 64 crores of yoginis. Om Manu Vidyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is a subject of Manu Vidya, Sri Vidya, having 12 traditional authorities headed by Manu. Om Chandra Vidyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the subject of Chandra Vidya, the same Sri Vidya as practiced by Chandra, one of the 12 authorities. Om Chandra Mandala Madhya Gayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is stationed in the center of the moon, the pericap of Sahasrara. Om Charu Rupaye Namaha. Salutations to her whose form is exquisite. Om Charu Hasaye Namaha. Salutations to her whose smile is charming. Om Charu Chandra Kala Daraye Namaha. Salutations to her who has the comely crescent moon in her crown. Om Charachara Jagannathaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the queen ruling over all beings, sentient and insentient. Om Chakra Raja Niketanaye Namaha. Salutations to her who has her abode in Chakra Raja or Sri Chakra. Om Parvatiye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Parvati, the daughter of Himalayas. Om Padma Nayanaye Namaha. Salutations to her whose eyes are like a lotus petal. Om Padma Nayanaye Namaha. Om Padmaraga Samaprabhaye Namaha. Salutations to her who shines like a ruby. Om Panchapretasanassinaye Namaha. Salutations to her who sits on a seat formed of 5 dead deities, same as the Brahmas mentioned below. Om Pancha Brahma Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her whose form is composed of 5 Brahmas: Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishvara and Sadashiva. Om Shakti.